What makes Meeting Bloom different from other companies? There's four key features we do different. Number one is abstract management. Our abstract management allows Greek characters to be inserted into the abstract. And what this does is you're allowed to export these into Word documents or export them into Excel if you need to use this data into other systems. And the formatting of these abstracts is like there's automatic formatting structures built into the system. So you don't have to worry about universal formatting when these customers are submitting an abstract. You can actually do it after the fact. Number two is performance. Meeting Bloom's performance is like a desktop application, but you get the web-based features with it. So you get all the performance of being a universal software as a service structure. So you get all these key features and security, but you get the same performance as a desktop application. Also, templating is something that Meeting Bloom is designed around very well. And what I mean by this is if you need to scale up your meeting later on, or if you have multiple conferences, our templating system is designed for scalability. And it's also designed that, like, let's say you had 100 conferences, you can have, let's say 10 conferences in one template, one conference in another, and 89 conferences in a third template. And you can mix and match these templates for how you need it. And it also scales down to if you only have one conference, you've got one template for one conference. So it doesn't make it confusing. And that's the key thing about Meeting Bloom is we want to enhance your performance of the site. We want to give you a great abstract management software, give you a lot of templating capabilities, but also make it simple and easy to use. You've seen these systems out there, and some of them are very confusing to use. And that's what makes us different is we simplified the website. We made the menu structure easy to understand. And each page that you go to on our system, it's easier to understand what the flow is. We have little helpers on the pages with instructional videos. That way, when you go to the site, you won't be confused because the workflow is pretty easy to understand. And if you do get confused, there's a helper video on every page. So I think that's the main thing that brings people to us is, it's our abstract management, but also it's the simplicity of being able to understand what, each parts of the admin interface do, but still have the complexity of having, many, many features.